Okay, so let's look at tell in the reported speech. Quite an important word. So tell can replace the main verb in a sentence. Main verb in a sentence, and it's followed by a subject to show who is talking, to show who said what. So we have, let's keep it simple. I have been to Spain. He wants to go to Spain. I have been to Spain. She had been to Spain. She had, could be anything, she had not seen the film. So we have simple direct speech here. I have been to Spain. He wants to go to Spain. She had been to Spain. She had not seen the film. Okay. But then we add a tell. Tell him I have been to Spain. So like an instruction. Tell him couldn't you tell him I have been to Spain? Could you say it to him, please? Tell him I've been to Spain. Tell him I want to go to Spain. You tell him, could you speak to him and say that I have been to Spain? But then we could say, he told me. He told me he wants to go to Spain. I will tell him that I want to go to Spain. We could have that I will tell him that I want to go to Spain. She told me that she had been to Spain. She told me that she had told me that she had been to Spain. She told me, she said to me, once in a direct speech, now in reported speech, she had told me that she had been to Spain. They told you that she had been to Spain. They told you that she had been to Spain. And I am reporting on it. All I'm doing, as in the reported speech, is saying who said what. Who said what? Yeah, so who is talking? Who said what to who? Who said what to who? She said that he said that they did this and beyond. So we use tell to replace the main verb in a sentence. So it's the main verb that's happening within the context of the sentence. So he told me he wants to go. The main verb here is told because it's quite consistent. Tell, I will tell him. But we're not going to say he tell me. It won't be he tell me, she tells me. You could say she tells me, he tells me. But depending on the subject, it's going to be I will tell. I tell. He told me. She told them. He told her. The neighbours told me. It tells me. It tells me right now. It told me. It told me 5 minutes ago. Told me. Tell for future tense. I will tell him. I will tell him tomorrow. Or she told me yesterday that she had been to Spain. It tells me It's telling me now. It is telling me. Telling. Yeah, telling. ing. It is telling me I need to go to the shop. It is telling me I have a missed call. Huh. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, very nice, yeah. So we have tell for future tense, told for past tense, and tells and telling for present. It is telling me I need to go. He tells me you want to go to the shop. I will tell him when I see him. They told me you knew the answer. She told you that I was here. Yes, so tell is very useful for the reported speech when you want to say who said what. Who said what within the reported speech. Quite a useful word to understand. Tell, told, tells, telling, depending on the tense. Yeah, very good. Very good. And remember, within the reported speech is who said what to who. Who did what and who is reporting on that. He went, she told me that you are learning English. They told me you are learning reported speech. He told her that you are learning English. Very good. Let's keep going.